Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months. Bidal Vadhe. Bidal Homer. In the case of Sati Sutadis, the pride of being mine is the attraction, just as the affection of being mine increases in the case of Sati Sutadis. Even if one starts to give grief as soon as one wants, one does not stop giving grief. Therefore, the daughter does not have happiness. Sati, even if grief comes before the time, if grief is treated, if grief is resisted, if grief passes, if grief is a fool, if grief comes to someone's house, if grief complains the power of earning money is in their possession, and while they are bringing it, the Sati Sutadis serve you with trembling, and the old man's strong arms make you cry. Therefore, these are true lovers, but you did not have them in your previous life. Even in this life, just as all the birds gather in a tree in the evening and part in the morning, they will fly away at the appointed time. In the next life too, these are not yours. The Sati Sutadis, who are full of dream dramas, will gather and part in every life. Just as there is no sorrow now due to the use of dreams in the person associated with the previous body, so also, when you understand the people associated with this body, are they not yours? If they were yours, they would never have parted from you. Do not think that they are not yours because of separation, and that they are the cause of great sorrow. Do not love them excessively, knowing them as the children of the goddess, knowing them as the ones gathered on the road, railway, or theatre stage. Love them with the understanding that they are all children of the goddess. You have no happiness in these departing relatives and friends. The main duty of a human being is to enjoy the supreme bliss of the never separated woman, the son of knowledge, the daughter of devotion, and the woman of liberation.